Welcome to part 5, and now we'll create some player movement, and it'll just be single player to start with. Alright, so I'll make a new C# script, and I'm going to call it player controller, and it's a single player script to begin with. Okay, so all the script is going to do is to capture the player's input, their WASD keys basically, and then apply that to the transform, to the player's transform. So float x is equal to input.getAxis. The name of the axis is horizontal, so the spelling must match what you have in the input manager, times time.delta time times 150 degrees. So float z is equal to input.getAxis vertical times time.delta time times 3 units transform.rotate 0 for the x-axis, then for the y I will supply that value x, and then 0 for the z-axis. So this will cause the player to rotate about their y-axis, and sorry, that's not rotation, it's supposed to be rotate. So it'll cause the player to rotate about their y-axis, so they'll turn left or right. Okay, the next transform.translate, and 0 in the x direction, 0 in the y direction, and z in the z direction. Alright, so back to Unity, and I will attach that. So to the player, I'll add the player controller. That's it. Okay. So I'll just quickly run that, and you can see that you can move about. Alright, so in the next video we'll see what this looks like when we have 2 copies of the game running.